Good afternoon. Today we're in Winter Haven out at a really nice quiet condo community called Casarena. Now behind me is the unit we're going to take a look at. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, over 2,000 square feet, if you can believe that. It is huge and spacious. Right behind me, you can see is Lake Cannon, right back there, connected to the chain of lakes. So this is a really amazing opportunity. Fantastic location. Can't really see the location here, but I'm just going to show you how nice and quiet this is. It's all brick pavers. This one's got a big, huge 2-car garage. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. Let's take a look at the inside of this condo. So we're going to take a long, detailed look at 14 Casarena. Now you can see when you first drive up, you got the 2-car garage. This is your front entranceway. I have taken and parked a car right here. So there is a designated, I say it's open parking technically, but again, I parked here. Guest parking is fine. They've got guest parking kind of in different places here. So it's really nice. A very small complex, so nice and private, super quiet. You've got all your shopping and everything right outside that way. And then if you kept on going straight along here, which we'll show you in a little bit, you got Lake Cannon right down there. And that is on the chain of lakes. So you can see the Spanish architect. This has got a tile roof. They've got an HOA that maintains the exterior. It's a gorgeous day here in Winter Haven. And by the way, it is end of March, and you talk about not a cloud in the sky. I don't know if you're watching this from up north, you may want to get down to Florida. March is one of my favorite months because the temperature is just gorgeous. So without further ado, let's take a look. But again, I did want to show you all the brick pavers in here. Nice quality community. This one, they're in the process of cleaning up. So again, you're going to have to overlook some of that. And but the main thing is to show you the flow and the floor plan and some of the upgrades and some of the options. So again, they've moved out and needs a little bit of cleanup. So let's just kind of take a tour, but notice the very high ceilings when you first walk in. And this is closet. And of course you've got your half bath here. And you're gonna see sprinkled throughout skylights, which is great for natural light. Love this, the architecture of some of this on the wood coming up here. Check this out, little atrium. Nice, really cool. They left a lot of the original architecture in, which is great. Ceramic tile flooring. So when you first walk in, you're gonna see a loft up here. You're gonna see skylights. Ceramic tile flooring, got a couple stairs coming down here. So turning back around, let me just kind of give you just a bird's eye view. Nice and open. Again, they're still packing stuff up, but I want to give you the openness of the floor plan. So if you look for your entertainment center, the back around here is really cute. Got an area perfect for this, like a coffee bar, wine bar here, what have you. Really cute. Got the cathedral ceilings here. So let's give you an idea of the flow. Nice open great room, living room, dining area this way. Notice the multiple French doors going into the patio. So it sets here and here, so lots of natural light, privacy, no neighbors. Got a huge kitchen area. Now, let me just kind of go to here. It's got really nice tile countertops. Again, they're in the process of packing everything up, but a nice sized kitchen, wood cabinets, all the appliances, all built in. Got the dishwasher here, ceramic tile flooring is throughout. Then a few updating with some of the lighting fixtures, some of the painting. While we're here, let's take a look at the outside so I can show you this area. They had a lot of plants out here. They've started to clean those up. You can see how large it is. So getting ready to get rid of the rest of everything here, but a huge patio area. Go hang out. You can kind of see from this angle how open the design is. It's a great open design. Let's go upstairs. Can't wait to show you the size of the bedrooms. They both have en suites. And then there's upstairs is the loft area. So the stairs are not steep. It's all the real wood. I love these built-ins when you first walk up. Take a look at those. Really nice. Again, they're got a lot of stuff to pack up here, but you could easily put a desk in here if you wanted to, maybe even a little couch, but it overlooks the, it's like a loft area. Now this is really considered the master. You do have double doors you could close for privacy. But look at these beautiful wood floors. You can see when you first came up. Huge bedroom, because that's a nice size king bed. And then there's even a balcony here, which is kind of cool. So if you want to, I haven't done this yet, but it's, let's see if we can get out here easily. If not, we're gonna, oops, okay, well, that works. So you can come out here. And even see more of the lake if you want to. Right out that way. Okay. Let me put that back on track. Right. So this has got all closet space here. There's some built-ins. You can see how big this bedroom is. The master bath, they did renovate at some point. So notice the pretty tile, raised cabinets. Look at these heavy framed mirrors, very nice. They replaced a few light bulbs, and then they even did tile on the ceiling, go figure. With like a crown molding of tile, it looks like. Nice job, whoever did this. Linen closet, here's your toilet area. That does have a jacuzzi tub. And then the shower winds around this way. So a nice size shower. And again, you've got the ceramic tile all the way up to the ceiling. So no drywall. So it's really, really nice. Turn your shower on, walk in there. Let's back up here a little bit. Here we go. And you gotta have the intercom system when you're on the toilet. I'm just saying. Guys, we didn't have cell phones back in the day. So how'd we talk to one another? Push to talk. Key feature right here, right? I think it still works, by the way. And you know who used to make them? New Tone. I am jogging some of your memories here. I love it. What is this? Ever seen one of those before? All right. Right near the good old commode, which is awesome. It's hilarious. All right, so, and notice again, they did bring the tile all the way up to the midpoint. So great tile job. Beautiful wood floors, huge bedroom. And the same thing across the way. Different setup, but another nice sized bedroom and with a little sitting area over here, which is kind of cool. Okay, so this one, instead of the double closet, has a walk-in closet, really nice size. Attic access there to get up there. Again, they've carried the beautiful wood floors in. And then coming this way, now this overlooks the back. So again, lots of natural light. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get you a good point of view here because of the reflection, but it's really pretty in back there too. So this, give you an idea of coming back here. Again, huge bedroom, easily put a king size bed, what have you. This is the bathroom with the tub shower combination. A little dark in here because I've got a light fixture out. We're gonna replace that bulb right there, but again, you've got tile, ceilings, you name it. Really nice. All right, so we're getting ready to hit the market on this one. This does have double doors too to close off with blinds for privacy. So I hope that gives you a good idea of this condo. If you have any more questions, would love to answer those and show it to you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you've enjoyed watching this walkthrough video of this condo or any other homes that we tour, do me a favor. If you would like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, even hit the notification button whenever I drop more videos and valuable content on Central Florida real estate, you'll get notified, and then you can watch some more cool home tours like this. Have a good day.